Today we unbox the RL-900 LED portable camera light photographic lamp series. There's the picture of it. RGB lighting, concentrated, CRI 95 plus, photography, live stream. I'm just sad that I'm seeing nothing about being rechargeable. Well, this one comes bundled with a tripod, it seems. Shall we have a look at it first? Well, pretty standard tripod. There you go. Take this off to expose the thread, and then this of course is what you can mount your light on, and loosen these, take it up and down, and so on and so forth. As for the light, is it now really not rechargeable? Oh, this that fell is just something that you can put onto the tripod, and then you can sort of tilt also. It adds a tilt function to the tripod head. But now let's have a look at the light itself. Here's the light. Oh, and the wire is affixed to it. There's the light. Can this come out? No, this cannot come out. It's permanently affixed. Let's just loosen this. And it seems no, it's not going to be able to be recharged. Although, what is this? Is there a battery in there? Well, I don't think so. Alright, there of course is the mounting screw, where you're gonna add this part. First screw it in here. Why is it not going in? Alright, I did manage to get that right. And then of course, here's where the tripod is gonna go in. Then you'll have your light on a tripod. Okay, and you can open these barn doors. It has what is called barn doors in the biz, so that you can block the light off and control it. Let's just see this switch first. No, this switch is confirming to me that this thing isn't rechargeable, which is sad, but alright. Note you are gonna use a USB power port. We're just gonna use a power bank for now, so that way, yes, you can make this lamp quite mobile. Oh, there's only like one little stripey there, blue light. Once your power source is connected, you're gonna switch it on here. There we go. And it's got like, oh, it's got colored lights. Oh no, you know what this is? This is for warm light. It has one orange, one white, one orange, one white, and you can select the different light colors here on the switch. There's like, what is it again? The S. Yeah, I think the thing that looks like an S, but is probably something else. There's warm light, cool light. Now it's only the white bulbs, and there's a very warm light, only the orange ones, and there's the one in between, which is probably what you will use. Oh, you know what? Look here, this thing seems to have been pushed in. I don't like that, because now I don't know how to get it out. I suppose maybe it can just stay like that. Now let's mount it on the tripod. We'll just rotate the tripod in there. Oh, now I wound up this cable, yeah. Always be aware where the cable is. Anyway, there we go. Now I'm just having a problem opening these legs of it. Oh yeah, let's push them in. I think that's gonna be best, yeah. And we tighten it here. And there's our light standing. Now let's just connect it to the power source again. And you see now, I turn it on. Oh, the other thing I didn't show now, but I'm sure if you've seen one of these lights, you know it. There's a plus and minus here, so you can make it dimmer, like I am now, and make it brighter. Nice. And these barn doors, of course, are so you can control the light. Like, say you want it on my face but not on my shirt, then you can obviously just close this one. You see there. Now the light is on my shirt. Close it, and this shadow comes in. You can sort of control the light. See, I've now made it dark here. Now say you want to show off these colored lights and you don't want this light to shine on it, but you do want light on me. Actually, let me just use some whiter light. There we are. Then of course you can like close one barn door to make the light less on the background. Is it working? A little bit, yeah. So I want just my face lit up now. Yeah. See, then you can sort of control the light, where it goes and where it doesn't go. If you don't want it spilling out onto a wall or whatever, just make it like more of a stripe. Then these barn doors do come in useful. Alright, that then is this RL-900 LED portable camera light. Yeah, I love it already, I think. Look at it. And I'm sure it's gonna come in very useful in my video recording endeavors. Now as for you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let's chat about more stuff on Stuff Chat next time.